Today we gonna show you two popular cases to use Cost Calculator Builder Pro integration with WooCommerce. First case, when you have a calculator on your website and want to charge clients through WooCommerce checkout. Second case, we have a renovation services in WooCommerce shop and we want to apply custom price calculation to many products of chosen shop category. In first case, let's have a look at what WooCheckout does for us. For example, we have built a calculator that we want to use for calculating the cost of our service. When there is no way to make the transactions via PayPal or Stripe in your country, we will use WooCheckout. For this scenario, we have a photography service and we want to withdraw money from customers through WooCommerce checkout. To do this, we will go to the products and create a new one. The product that we are creating must be a simple type. After we create our product, we can hide it from the catalog. Now we go to the calculator settings and choose the calculator we need and click Edit. Then we move to the WooCheckout tab and turn it on. Here, we need to choose the product we have just created. Then we need to choose whether we want to send the customer to the cart page or the checkout page. After selecting the necessary steps, we click Save. Reload the page with the calculator and observe how it looks on behalf of your customer. As you can see, we are presented a page with a calculator and a checkout. Customers should fill out the order. Click Place Order and that's all. After that, an order appears in the dashboard of the owner of services or goods. For doing this, go to the WooCommerce tab and find Orders. Open the order that your customer created, and as we can see, all the details displayed in orders contain all the selected options from the calculator. In the second case, with WooProducts, you can display the calculator on the product page of your website. An important clarification is that the calculator only works with simple WooCommerce products. In this second example, we have a home renovation company. We want to apply the calculator to all of the services at once or separately. For this, you should go to the calculator. Then, find the WooProducts. Turn it on and then select the product category. This tab allows us to display the calculator only in those product categories that we have selected. Now, go to WooCheckout. Turn it on. Select Current WooProduct. This option connects every product of this category with a calculator and makes the calculator automatically appear in every product of the chosen category. Now, let's hide the native WooCommerce Add to Cart button on the product page. Go to the calculator settings. Go to WooProducts section and enable Hide WooCommerce Add to Cart form. This option allows you to remove Add to Cart and make customers use only a calculator in the calculation price. Now we want the price to participate in the calculation. To make this happen, go to the WooProducts settings of the calculator and link the WooCommerce meta. Actions Set Value and Disable allows you to make an active or inactive graph in the calculator. We can also fix and specify only the fixed value from the calculator settings. In our case, it's the price. Next, let's look at the calculator position and choose the best location for your unique calculator. To sum up, we have demonstrated two significant features when it comes to using Cost Calculator with WooCommerce efficiently. If there is no way to make the transactions via PayPal or Stripe in your country, WooCommerce checkout integration might help you set your own payment gateways with WooCommerce. In case you are going to provide the calculator into your shop products or specified category of products for your customers, WooProducts option with WooCheckout would be the best choice. Hope we could cover all the key points about these two features and outline the difference between them. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye.